And we're back. As you can see, I've got the radiator from Quadstar Tuning installed. New upper radiator hose, new lower hose, new surge tank, new line. So, just a little installation tip. Down there at the bottom, you can see you've got a little rubber mount the radiator sits on both sides. Take those out and clean all the dirt and debris that fills up in those. Just allows you a little bit more clearance to get the radiator in there to fit properly. And also make sure you clean all the dirt, debris, and leaves in the bottom of this core support as well. And it took a little finagling kind of figure it out, but it can be done. I know on Quadstar's website they say you may have to trim the upper piece on this rubber mount. In my case, I didn't have to. Well, you can see it's in there pretty good. You'll want it down tight enough so your radiator, you can't move it. The only other thing I had to do is I put this piece of heater hose between the radiator and core support because it's a little bit tight on this side. But I just did that for security so the radiator doesn't decide to rub against that or wear a hole in it. So I'm liking how it's looking in here. Looking pretty good. Just got to put the fan on, accessory belt, hook my cable back up, and a little coolant, work the air out, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks, guys.